Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei P30 Pro. Today I'll show you how to edit camera modes. So let's open camera and slide bottom bar to more. Tap pen icon at the top of the screen, and now you can drag images to rearrange them. If it's done, tap this icon. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.